Hello guys, as in my previous video, part 1 of how I passed my AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, I was talking about how I prepared for the exam. And the first and very important thing is that I did was I did this AWS Cloud Practitioner essential course, self-paced course. So I want to talk about a little bit more about this course. So it's 4 to 6 hours of self-paced course which covers almost every uh, essential part uh, of the course objective. And so each module have uh, have one section of the AWS. And you can see in the first one, they talk about the introductions to Amazon Web Services. Then they talk about the different technology is in compute in the cloud. Then in module 3 is all about global infrastructure and reliability. So you'll get to know the different how AWS have their infrastructure um, all around the world, and what are the reliability factors which contributes to the AWS availability and domination in the cloud market. Mm, the module 4 talks about the networking, different strategy, different deployment model, different uh, network setup that they can do in the AWS cloud. Then they talk about the storage and databases and security and furthermore. And the good thing is, after finishing one module, they ask you questions, so they test your knowledge. And after finishing all the modules, at last they will have a sort of AWS Cloud Practitioner certification exam, practice one. So this really helps you, and so that you can reflect back and see which areas of particular module that you need to do again, or which you're really good into. So that's one thing. Now, another thing I want to talk about is once you have a practice this one, AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential, um, what you can do is uh, you can you can straight away. So just before checking the YouTube, you can do AWS. You can search that. You can go on AWS website, and from there, I want you to go through uh, the products. So whenever you prepare for the exam or you find any question, you go in this product section, and then suppose in exam it says why mm, why client should adopt Amazon Aurora rather than in-premises, uh, you know, in-premises database. So I want you to go in Amazon Aurora and then read these highlights. These are really helpful. This will give you the brief um, information about the product, and it explain how it works so that your basic concepts are really clear, so that you don't be in the confusion when you get a questions related to these products. So in that way, you can search every AWS services from here. Like I mentioned, virtual private cloud. These are the basic like highlights about this one, and then it gives how it works. You can go through it. So you can do this pretty much for every AWS services, and it will really help you to get a hold of um, the whole concept of different AWS services. And lastly, what I want you to do is practice your few questions in the for AWS from the YouTube. So you can pretty much go to any YouTube channel like this. Cloud Guru is really good. This gives real time questions and with explanation so that it clear your basic concepts. So I think that is all which I did in 1 week, and I passed my exam. Good luck with your exam.